Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can use the Gemini AI. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the Google Chrome. And now simply we have to search for the Gemini AI here. So I'm going to write that. As you can see, let's click on this. And after clicking on this, as you can see, you will be able to see this first option here, the Gemini AI. So let's clicking on this. I'm going to open it. As you can see now, simply you just have to, before opening this, you have to log in your email account here. So I'm going to clicking on this option, chat with Gemini. So you have to click on this. And now simply we have to scroll down this and we have to read this all carefully and we have to click on the use Gemini. So let's click on this. And now we have to choose this. If you want to make a choose, you can also do that. I'm going to untick this and let's click on the continue option. And now we are here. Now simply we have to write whatever we want. For example, I'm going to write generate an image for me as a freelancer. So as you can see now, simply we have to press the enter and it will write and generate whatever you want. So we have to wait for a few seconds. After providing your prompt, you will get your result in the seconds. So as you can see, creating an image is provided in the advanced. For example, I'm going to write write the, you can write whatever you want. For example, I'm going to write the top 10 freelancing platforms. And now simply we will click on the enter and now you will get the result here. So as you can see, like the Upwork and the Fiverr and other options are provided here. For example, I'm going to show you, I'm going to write another command like provide the top content creator on YouTube. So as you can see, you write that and then let's click on enter and you will get the result of that. As you can see, as February, Mr. Beast is the most subscribed YouTuber with 288 million. You will get all the results accordingly. So in this way you can use the Gemini AI. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that how you can use it, which is very easy. So see you in the next video.